Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So Solana, it's let's say it's looking good, to be positive. So we did the first impulsive movement here, and now maybe we can say that this was A, B, C for the A. Let me put it here. So I'm going to put it in blue, and this was A, maybe capital A, deserve that. So we had the A here. After that, we had the A, B, C for the B, capital B. And now this is the wave C. Now, for sure, this is kind of tricky now. Is this the 1? This is the 2. This could be the 3, the 4, and the 5. Or this is just 1, 2. This could be just the 1 here in diagonal. This is the 2. This is the 3. We're currently doing the 4 and maybe doing the 5 also. That's also possible. So we need to be aware of that. Now, is Solana good price, $15? Well, many people, they say yes. As you can see now, we are here and it's kind of near this side movement. So that's why it's holding us. Also, it's a 0.618 fib retracement. So this is why we are mainly holding that level. Let me see here. Okay, maybe I can move it here like that. So we didn't beat or we didn't reach any invalidation point. Our invalidation point, it's $8.08. That's our lower low. Now we did break this uptrend, so that's too bad. I was expecting, a third impulsive movement to the upside. We didn't have that, thanks to Gary. And then so we're kind of plunging. So now unsure if this second wave is done, because can I do something like that, crazy like that? Let me see here. Something like that. I don't know, I didn't check, I just saw that here. So 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to do the 4 and the 5, and that would be a possible wave 2. I don't know, it's really messy. Could be though that we're just going to move on the side, but I really prefer this A, B, C, A, B, C, B. Yeah, the only problem now is this A is that 1, 2, and then it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the 3. This is the 4 and the 5. Yeah, that make more sense though. So there you go, internet stuff. Okay, so once again, let me redo it. I think I prefer that label. So this would be the 1 and the 2. Okay, should I write it down maybe? So this is going to be the 1, and this is going to be the 2. Now this is another 1, different color. So this is the 1. Actually, no, can I just do it like this? It's going to be easier. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in yellow. Am I able to get out this little fellow? Okay, so we have the 1 and the 2. And then within this third wave in blue, we had the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which really fits well this descending triangle. And this would have completed our third wave in blue, playing with colors today. Okay, so this was the third wave. This is the fourth. The fourth here. And now this was our fifth final flush. Yeah, I really like this count, and by doing that we would finish this bigger wave 2, and this is bigger wave 1. Now let's go and see if it does work with the Fibonacci retracement. So we can have could it be on here? So as you can see, if I do the Fib retracement, band down 0.618, approved, that worked. Now we're going to do the wave 3. So this is 1, this is the 2. So wave 2 started here, wave 3 ended here. Now we take the indicators for the wave 4. We take out this mess here. Okay, so wave 3, we cannot wick out, but it's still okay. You know, like we never had a close candle below the 0.5. It's borderline, but yeah, I consider it that a wave 4. That check. And then yeah, and then this is the fifth wave. Well, for sure, you know, I'm not going to take the length of wave 1 and add it to wave 4, because clearly we don't have. We're going to have more than that. Now the only thing I'm concerned though is, actually this is a triangle though, so I'm not sure. If I take this length and I put it here, it's we're having an almost 1-to-1 ratio, wave 1 to wave 3. So that's why we're having a deeper wave 5 now. So that also makes sense. We reacted to the almost 0.786 at $12. We bounce back. Let me put it on the hourly. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. Yeah, so as you can see, no, we what's that green line? Because we really stop on that line. What is it? What is it? Come on, show it to me. Okay, was this downtrend? No, I did it after. It doesn't count. Doesn't count. All right. So, okay, so for the moment, this should be the end of the correction, and now we should have a nice impulsive movement to the upside. Unfortunately, though, I don't know what's happening, but yeah, sorry, it's not responding for the moment. Maybe it's taking some rest. 4 hours, we were just oversold, and now we're recovering. Momentum, we are sprouting, and on the green side, let's go see the most important one, the daily. We are still oversold. Deep red. Actually, now we just made up to now today a lighter red candle. Is it smaller? Let me go here. So slightly smaller than the previous one. So bring all the positive news. Let me see now. MA 200. This is the MA 200, I guess. Let me see here. Yes, MA 200. So you can see that it did help us as a support for a while. Now Gary Gensler helped us to break it down, unfortunately, but help us to reach this fifth wave maybe faster. So, you know, in every bad thing, find something good. So thank you, Gensler. You allow us to get our fifth wave. You allow us to bring more ammunition to fire you. And yeah, to show your incompetence. More companies are leaving the US, and even politicians are fed up. So yeah, so thank you at the end. Now let's see if honestly I'm expecting Solana to skyrocket now. So let's see now. We lost into the, let's call it Gary Gensler week. I didn't want to do at all that. So in the Gary Gensler week, we lost exactly 42%. Now we are back and we only lost, so we regained 10% from what we lost, right? So I would say worst case scenario, I'm going to draw another trend line because I like to draw trend lines. So our next, let me put it in maybe orange. Okay, our next test is going to be this trend line because it's a bigger trend, right? So if we take the current price now about, and we go and say it's going to go maybe this level, so you can see that we have potential of 36% or 35% up. Guys, even if it's 30%, it's pretty good. And then yeah, so in my opinion, we went down so low. The indicators are screaming for being oversold. We start to have changement maybe in the mood of the MACD.